In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and configure an input dropdown field in DocuSign. To get started, sign into DocuSign and, from the main screen, click Start. This is the quickest way to begin creating a new item for signature. When the menu appears, choose Envelope. In DocuSign, an envelope is the package that contains your document, recipients, and signing fields. So this is the correct option when you want to prepare a file for someone to complete and sign. Next, select Get Signatures. This tells DocuSign that you're sending out a document that needs recipient action. After that, upload the document where you want to add the drop-down field. Make sure you choose the correct file version before moving on, since the drop-down will be placed directly on this document during setup. Once the file has uploaded, add the recipient by entering their name and email address. Be sure the details are accurate so the document reaches the right person. After that, click next to open the document preparation screen. This is where you'll add and configure the fields your recipient will interact with. From the Fields panel, select Dropdown. Then drag the drop-down field onto the document in the exact spot where you want the recipient to make a selection. Try to place it neatly near the related question or section label so it's clear what the field is for. Now click on the drop-down field itself to open its settings. This is where the main configuration happens. Enter the choices you want the recipient to select from. These should be clear, distinct options so the recipient can quickly understand what to choose. After adding the options, configure the drop-down settings. Update the field label so it clearly describes the purpose of the field. Set whether the field is required if you want to make sure the recipient cannot skip it. Then review the available choices to confirm they appear exactly as intended. A well-labeled and properly required drop-down helps reduce confusion and prevents incomplete submissions. Before sending, review the drop-down carefully. Double-check that all options are correct, that the wording is clean and consistent, and that the field is assigned to the correct recipient. This step is especially important if your document includes multiple recipients or several interactive fields. When everything looks good, click Send to send the envelope with the configured drop-down field. DocuSign will then deliver the document so the recipient can open it, choose from the drop-down, and complete the form as intended. Thanks for watching.